After setting out the workspace in the AutoCAD, we have to set the unit and dimension. Okay, so to set the unit, you have to enter un command and enter in the keyboard. You will see these types of box. So in type you have to select engineering if you are drawing in inch and foot. If you are drawing the plan and elevation in mm or centimeter, then you can select a decimal or architecture. Okay, I am selecting here engineering. Precision you have to select 0 dash, and in unit to scale intersection content I am selecting here inch. Okay, if you are measuring, if you are drawing another, then you can select millimeter. About in generic lighting we have to select generic if you are civil engineering. Okay, after that in decimal degree we have to measure angle in decimal degree and precision 0. Now select OK. We have set the unit. Now we have to set the dimension. Okay, for dimension we have to type D command and click enter. After that we have to modify this command, so click on modify. You will reach on this box. Now in first step we will see line. Okay, so in which color do you want to put the measurement line? Okay, so if we put red, then this measurement line will be red. After that if you want to put the measurement line yellow, it will be turned into yellow. So I will put red. So line type will be by layer, put by layer, and line weight put 0.0 mm. Okay, so it will be the weight of the line. It may be 0.25, 0.30 according to your requirement. After that extend beyond tricks, put 4 inch and here 4 inch. After that extension line will be green. Here you can see this cutting line of the dimension will be green. You can choose according to your requirement. Put here extend beyond line, we have set here 4 inch, and the fixed length extend line, put tick on it, and length should be 4 inch. Now click on symbol and arrows. Okay, so you can see here this first architecture trick, it will be like this. You can see here it will change. Okay, if you select here dot, then this end of the line will be dot. If you put this arrow, then end of the line will be shown arrow. Okay, in leaders select architectural trick, arrow size put 4 inch. Okay, arrow, this arrow which will be shown for the dimension. Okay, and center mark put here known, and break size put this much, and this text height 0 feet 1.5 inch. Okay, you can put according to you. Now radius chalk dimension put 90 degree, and after that move toward text font style you can put according to your choice. And the text color, which color do you want to put? This color I am putting here white, because workspace is black, and if we put white, then it will be more attractive. Okay, fill color I am putting none. After that this put all, vertical JIS, and horizontal centered, view direction left to right, offset will I am putting here 3 inch. Okay, and after that text alignment put aligned with dimension line. Okay, so let's move toward fit. After that in fit to put either text or arrow based fit. Okay, it will select according to the drawing. AutoCAD will automatically select which will be suitable. After that in text place beside the dimension line, and I am putting here use overall scale 1. Okay, and after that we move toward primary unit. This is very important. We have already set this engineering, and precision put this much. After that round of 0 inch, and click on the 0 feet here, 0 suppression, unit format decimal degrees, and 0 precision as we have done already. Now move toward alternate unit. I don't want to put alternate unit, so we don't have to do anything here. If you want to put alternate unit, then there will be next unit beside of our feet and inch. Okay, so I don't want to put it. After that tolerance put method known, and vertical position middle. Okay, now we have set all the setting which is used by generally used by the civil engineer, and myself use this setting to draw the house plan of residential and different commercial building. Okay, so put here okay, and now set current close. Now we have set all the setting in the AutoCAD. Now we can proceed to draw. Okay.